Look at those motorcycles. Woo! What's going on, everybody? Dag back out here. I'm going to get some pictures right now of this bike and me. I got my tripod, I got my camera, I got everything on me, and I hope these pictures come out because I've been wanting to update my channel banner on YouTube for a while now. I mean, what I got right now is fine, but I wanted to do something more realistic. I just wanted to keep it simple. I wanted to keep the ride safe in there, but it's just going to be me on a motorcycle. That's it. And then hopefully there's a good sunset in the background. Hopefully. I hope. I'm kind of getting up here too late, but I still have hope. I still have hope. All right, this spot's not going to work. I thought this spot up here was going to be fine, but nope. Man, in the middle of the road would be perfect. Oh, come on, Geesey. Get out of the road, you dumb shits. Come on. Oh my God. I think I found a good spot right there. All right, all right, all right. Okay, where do I set up shop? Where's a good looking area? I guess like right over here. Yep, this is it. Might as well take a picture while I'm at it. Oh, hi. All right, hold on, I'll be right back. All right, I just got done taking my pictures with me and the bike, and the sun is just now going down over the trees, the horizon, whatever. I had the tripod set up around right here, and I was just, you know, posing. Look at that beautiful view. I saw the opportunity and I totally forgot that this is such an open space. The sun is right over the parking lot, which was absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to show you guys the shots I just got. I thought they looked so good. If you want to see the shots I just got, follow me here, Instagram, boom. I also post on TikTok sometimes. Beautiful. I do have to get myself some gas, so I think that's what we are going to do. Let's get the heck out of here, because it is getting dark out here. It's only 7:30. Beautiful night tonight, though. It's like 88 degrees right now. It was pretty hot today, but overall, I enjoyed it. I'm going to miss this heat in like a few days here, because it's supposed to drop down to like 68 degrees or something. Like 70s. And then, of course, it's supposed to get back up. Let's see if this red light's going to trigger for me. Please. Please do it just this once for me. All right, well, I think I've waited here long enough. It's not going to turn green for me. Now I know this light is going to turn green for me because it's brand new. Watch this turn yellow in like 4 seconds. Oh, never mind. 1 second, half second. Green. Woohoo! We're going to get some gas, and that is what we are doing, boys. That is what we are doing. And I think the whole point of this video again is getting gas. We're refueling the beast. You can't get better than this motorcycle. You won't have as much fun, I'm telling you. It's true. I've totally ridden like one bike. You get a splash of power without any of the downsides of a really aggressive race bike. Am I right, Ninja 400 users? Yes. We pulling into the gas station. Oh, it's out of service? Horseshit. No, this is more like it. Oh, keep up a little bit. All right, that is how it's done. Ah, screw it. We're going to do one highway pull. Why not? I have to while I'm out. I mean, I just got gas. It's just hardwired into my brain just to get a ride in. Not a ride in. A highway pull. God, I'm blanking out right now. And I already know the second I get home, I'm going to be editing my pictures all night. Probably for at least 2 hours. We are waiting here. This is going to be a little while. Nice pink Jeep. Woo! So we got a BMW X Drive. Motorworks. All right. Let's see how it is. No blinker as usual. Yes! That Beamer in front of me really tried. I saw all that smoke coming out of his exhaust. Don't think you didn't just pin your accelerator all the way down just to try to beat this little Ninja 400. You did! 3,200 miles. Let's go! We did it. Guys, remember to keep on riding, be safe, and enjoy your life. Stay safe out there, wherever you are, whenever you are riding. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed, that is. Don't think I didn't just see you almost click off the video. All right, I'll see you guys later.